Welcome, energy adventurers. The lab buzzes with excitement as Cash, the genius dog with red glasses, trots in with a grin. Did you know energy can come from the sun, wind, and water? Let's investigate. First stop, solar station. Cash tilts a glowing solar panel under a bright lab light. Instantly, a fan starts spinning. Solar energy turns sunlight into electricity, he explains, tail wagging. Next, wind tunnel. He sets a mini wind turbine in place and powers up a fan. The blades spin quickly, lighting a bulb. Wind energy in action. Moving air creates power. Final stop, hydro setup. Cash pours water over a small water wheel. It spins smoothly, and a bell rings loud and clear. Hydropower. Water in motion can create energy too. As the machines glow and whir around him, Cash nods thoughtfully. Renewable energy is clean, endless, and all around us. And best of all, it helps protect our planet. Cash turns to the camera. Hey, energy adventurers, time for today's challenge. Which energy source made the bell ring? Solar, wind, or water? If you didn't catch the answer, rewind and watch again. Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, follow, and join me, Cash the Genius Dog, for more awesome science adventures.